When your G PRO X Superlight refuses to connect, it can feel like the whole setup comes to a halt. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to walk you through the most reliable fixes that get this mouse working again in just a few minutes. Let's start with one of the most common issues: outdated receiver firmware. Plug your USB dongle into your computer, then connect your mouse with a USB cable. Open Logitech G HUB, click the settings icon, and head into the device pairing tool. If the software shows a firmware update, go ahead and install it. This alone solves the problem for many users. Next, try repairing the connection. After updating, keep G HUB open, disconnect the mouse from the cable, go back into the device pairing tool, switch your mouse off, then back on, and follow the prompts to repair it with the receiver. This refreshes the wireless link and often restores instant connectivity. If the mouse still won't connect, there might be software interference. Programs like Razer Synapse or other peripheral managers can conflict with G HUB. Just close them completely and try reconnecting again. Another quick test is trying a different computer. Plug the receiver into another device that has G HUB installed, or even one that simply supports USB devices. If the mouse connects there, you'll know the issue is with your original system, not the hardware. If the problem continues, reinstalling Logitech G HUB can help. Uninstall it from your control panel, visit Logitech's support website, and download an earlier stable version such as v2022.11. Install this, launch G HUB, plug in your wireless receiver first, and then connect the mouse so the software can properly recognize it. And if none of these methods work, it may be a deeper hardware issue. In that case, reach out to Logitech support. They can provide additional troubleshooting or help with warranty replacement if needed. Hopefully, one of these steps brought your Superlight back to life. If it helped, feel free to check out more guides like this. And thanks for watching.